Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So today in this video, let me show you how to start a meeting inside the Discuss module of Odoo 17. So basically the Discuss module is used for communications, right? We have the option to chat with others, you can add users, you can invite people, you can even start a meeting where inside a meeting you have certain operations which will be shown in this video. As well as once you message a person like in WhatsApp, Facebook and all, you have the options to edit it, you can even delete the message, you can give reactions to the message, and you have so much more inside the Discuss module. So let me show you how to start a meeting inside the Discuss module. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. So now let me show you how to, schedule a meeting or even start a meeting inside the Discuss module. So here you have the Discuss module, open it. And once you open the Discuss module, you have an option where it shows channels, okay? So already we have a channel which is called General. So this is the General channel. I'm going to create a new channel. For that, click on the plus icon next to channels. So clicking on the plus icon over there. And I'm going to create a new channel, giving the name as, new channel. Okay. So created a new channel over here. So here you can actually see the message as Michelle Admin created this channel. Okay. It's similar to WhatsApp and all. Okay. So you've created the channel. Now you can send messages from here. So I'm sending messages as hello. Okay. And simply enter. So once you go to this message or simply scroll through this message, you have certain icons over here. So this is basically reactions. That is, you can see an emoji, a smiley face over here, which is a reaction. If you want to add a reaction to the message, you can simply add it from here. So I'm adding a reaction here. See, that's how you add a reaction. And if you want to reply for this message, what you have to do is simply click on this and then you can reply. Okay, so that's how you reply for this message. And if you want to star this, star it. Okay, so that can be found inside the starred messages. Going back to our new channel, and here you have the 3 dots where you can view your reactions, pin the message, mark as unread, edit and even delete it. So editing is you can simply edit the message. Okay. So yeah. And you have the option to pin the message. So you can pin. So it will ask you whether you're sure you want to pin this message to the new channel forever and ever. So yes, pin it. So that's pinned. Okay. As you can see, Michelle Admin pinned a message to this channel and see all pinned messages. So it shows you all the pinned messages. Okay. And if you want to remove it, you can simply remove it from here. Yes, remove it, please. So I'm removing it. Okay. Now you have the option to delete the message, and also you can view the reactions to the message. Okay. So I'll show you how to delete a message. Here we have a message. I'm deleting it. So confirm. That message is deleted. So that's the options which comes under messages. Okay. Now I'll show you how to start a meeting. So for that, here you have an icon. Okay. So before starting a meeting, I'll show you how to add a user. So this icon, that is the top right corner of the screen, you can see an add users icon. Click on that and you can type the name of the person. So let it be Mark Demo, and either you can copy the link or you can simply invite him to the channel. So I'm sending the invitation link. So as you can see, so Michelle Admin invited Mark Demo to the channel. Okay. Now here you have the icon which shows the members list of the channel. So whichever members are there, you can see the members, and even you can invite users from this members list. Okay. So that's how you do it. Now let me show you how to start a meeting. Okay. So starting a meeting is very simple. I've already added the people and all here. Now here you have the call, that is to start a call. So I'm just gonna click on that. Okay. Now it will be asking for all those things. I'm not allowing anything. So this is how you start a meeting. And members, this can be made to full screen. Okay. So this is how you enter full screen. People can add through this and you can exit full screen. If you want to raise hands, you can raise hands here. See that raising hands, I'll put it in full screen and show. So raising hands, see, lower hands means it has gone. And then you have the option to share the screen. Okay, you can share the screen here. And yeah, that's it. And here you can have this is the disconnect button. Okay, you can even add a description for your meeting or for your call. Okay, whatever description it is. So I'm adding new call. That's how you add a description for your call. And then you can simply disconnect from your meeting. Okay, so that's how you basically start a meeting. So you can do things like share screen, full screen description for meeting, and even you can start the meeting, ending, and so much more. So it's simply like using other social medias. Inside Odoo also, you have a very attractive space which is called Discuss. So from here, we've started a call. Now here you have a button called Start Meeting. Now you can invite people. I'm inviting John Doe, Mark Demo, invite to group chat. Okay, so they are all invited. And then if you just put it to enter to full screen, you can enter into a full screen. And once they join your meeting, you can see that as well. So I'm disconnecting. This is the exact same thing which you do while you started the call. Now here is the call, the meeting, and here you can give a description for your meeting as well. Okay, so here you can send messages. Okay, so for this channel, Mark Demo is invited. Mark Demo can see this message. So that's how you basically start a meeting. That's very simple to do it in Discuss module. And I showed you how to send messages and how to star them and all the other operations which you can do on a message. So that's how you will start a meeting in the Discuss module. Next time, don't be confused, okay? So I hope that was clear for you guys. I'll be back with another video. Stay tuned.